Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces, water sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces, water sign. What are the messages for you? Hermit, Three of Wands and Emperor. Eight of Cups, Magician and Queen of Pentacles. Wow. Four of Cups, Four of Wands and Six of Cups. Ace of Pentacles, long-term commitment. Maybe you're in a separation right now with your person, but there is reconciliation and long-term commitment is coming. For some, you are now concentrating on your career. You are getting financial stability and you are creating more money in these recent times, Pisces. So let's see. New beginnings, Aces. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Hermit, Three of Wands and Emperor. There is no contact situation between you and your person, Pisces. You isolated from all and undergoing some spiritual awakening. And Three of Wands, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And Emperor. Maybe for some you both have some ego problems also. But you are waiting for your person to come back. Maybe there is some waiting is going between you and your person. Maybe your person turned their back from you or you. There is separation or no contact situation between both of you. Then present Eight of Cups, Magician and Queen of Pentacles. So you want to manifest them again into your life. You want them back because Four of Wands is here and the Magician and waiting. Yeah. So waiting period to creation period, you are transformed. Then you will manifest them again in your life. Four of Wands, celebration, reconciliation. Yeah, maybe you walked away from this connection or your person because energy could be vice versa. One person is walked away in this connection and maybe your person is very caring and giving person. Now they are holding back. Now you want to manifest them back. Okay. Now for some you are concentrating on your career right now. And future, Four of Cups, Four of Wands and Six of Cups. Missed opportunity. You are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person, Pisces. But Six of Cups, you are thinking about them a lot. Maybe I am seeing reconciliation for some because Six of Cups with Four of Wands, celebration. But still you are trying to manifest for some because you are still in this energy. In near future, definitely you will be manifest your person back because Six of Cups with Four of Wands. Definitely reconciliation and celebration. You both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. So there is separation or no contact situation right now, but in near future there will be reconciliation. So the person involved in this connection could be a lot of Earth energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going. King of Wands under the deck. Your person may be a fire sign. Your person is also very grounded and very powerful, working on their self and very attractive person. So let's see. Your person current feelings, Pisces. I think the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also and Hermit. They are thinking about commitment. I think there is no commitment in this connection. Your person want commitment. Maybe you are not giving commitment to this person. There is someone is not giving commitment in this connection, like marriage, whatever. So 10 of Swords, 7 of Cups, Temperance. Your person patiently waiting for you to come back. Yeah. Because they are in a lot of confusion state. They are getting a lot of thoughts. They still want rebirth in this connection. Not a rebirth, but also commitment. They want marriage. They want to take this relationship to next level. So yeah, they are also waiting for you because 7 of Cups, they are in some confusion state and 10 of Swords. 10 of Swords means not ending rebirth and Temperance. They are patiently waiting for the right time also. So let's see the near future actions towards you. I think Sagittarius reading also got same cards. If you want to watch, please watch in my channel. Sagittarius reading also. Eight of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. Wow, communication. King of Swords, communication, clarity. Your person may be very straightforward in nature. They always, maybe your person is very honest. Yeah, because King of Swords. So let's say Eight of Swords. Right now your person feeling stuck. They're thinking about you a lot and feeling stuck. They don't know how to make a move towards you, Pisces. But they're taking it very slow. Knight of Pentacles energy. They're coming back, but very slowly, because already I told you reconciliation and then communication, lots of communication. There is communication is going to be happen between both of you. Maybe you will call them or they will call you. It doesn't matter. Definitely there will be a lot of communication between both of you, and they're coming back. Knight of Pentacles energy, and they are taking it very slow because Temperance, they are patiently waiting. Okay, they are not in rush. They're taking it very slowly, but there is movement, there will be reconciliation. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Wow, again Six of Cups, Eight of Pentacles. Wow, your person really want reconciliation with you, and Eight of Pentacles, they're taking it very slow but very stable. Eight of Pentacles, they really want to work on this relationship. Maybe for some, your person in past not committed to you, but Ace of Wands, lot of passion. There is a lot of passion between both of you guys. There's still a lot of attraction between both of you if you are in separation. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. I think reconciliation. Six of Cups, strong soulmate connection. This is a similar reading to Sagittarius reading also. Very similar. Communication. Yeah, your person has strong emotions for you and they really want to offer their cup of love to you. Communication, apology, message. Yeah, Page of Cups. Maybe your person immature. Someone is immature in this connection, but they really want to offer their cup of love to you, King of Cups. And then communication is the key here. Pisces, lot of communication I am seeing here. So let's see your overall energy. Lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see your overall energy for the week, Pisces. You want success in this connection. Maybe you are getting rewards for your hard work in these recent times. Page of Wands, communication, message. One person is younger than other person in this connection. There is love. There is love between both of you for sure. And Hanged Man. Maybe you are also thinking about them a lot. And you are also getting spiritual awakening regarding this connection in these recent times. So let's see your person overall energy. King of Pentacles. Wow. Your person may be very abundant person. Maybe your person also creating more money. Nine of Swords. They are also missing you, thinking about you a lot. High Priestess. They are also manifesting you back. They are trusting their intuition. They are listening to their intuition. Wow. Empress. See. Maybe for some, one person is mother in this connection, have kids. Yeah, they stand by their power. They overcoming this Nine of Swords energy and Ace of Wands. Lot of passion, lot of attraction. They are very attracted to you, Pisces. Yeah, that's why they're coming back. They want reconciliation. They want celebration. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. Reconciliation. Six of Cups. Strong bond between both of you. Work through your fears. Pisces, this is the message for you from universe, especially when new moon in Scorpio. So if you are having any fears, so this is the time to work through your fears. Okay, so you have to overcome those fears. Okay, this is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.